First off, stabilizing performance with SQL plan baselining. Vital importance for the upgrade from 11 to 12. It was introduced in 11, but we'll see the enhancements in 12. And I strongly believe that everyone should be using this before, during, and after their 12C upgrade. Then we move on to what I call the self-learning capabilities that were introduced in Release 12. Some of these are enhancements of capabilities that came in Release 11. Some things are brand new. Most of these self-learning capabilities, what we call the adaptive features, should be good. However, in a significant minority of cases, they cause problems. And interestingly, in Release 12.2, by default, some of these features are in fact disabled. We must be able to control these things. It's important. So the first part of the chapter is really about why 12C is getting things wrong. It's about things that perhaps aren't working correctly and correction techniques. Then the second part of the chapter, we'll look at statistics, because statistics are the proper solution to all these problems. And there are major enhancements to statistics in Release 12.